Hi guys, I just wanted to provide some feedback to you. I noticed there were things on the outline that perhaps needed to be stressed or weren't stressed enough. So when it says audience, I need you to define to me what the grade level is, and that will be determined by what you think the reading level is for your book. Oftentimes, you can look for that book and find its grade level. And I need to know what curriculum standards are you using. So is it science? Is it English? What are you going to do? And then many of you are forgetting the strengths and weaknesses of each book, so I need you to address that. And then when we talk about expected results in the classroom, how do you think students will feel? How will they react? But also what comes before the reading, what comes after it, and how will you address diverse learners? So how will you have activities for auditory, kinesthetic, and visual learners? So those are really important. Also, when we're talking about sources, you need your two picture books, a justification of the source. So if you're talking about depression, you need to talk about how many Americans suffer from depression, something like that. Your Indian Department of Ed curriculum standards, and then the diverse learners. You can use the slides that I've provided and quote me in them. Also, the in-text citations weren't graded in this one, but they will be in the next. Remember that it's usually whenever you do an MLA, if you're using a source outside in the library, you can copy and paste them, and usually they're correct. It's usually the first part of the works cited entry. So normally, if we're talking about, we need to give credit to the author and the work and the page number if there is one. So for example, when we have Burke in the sentence, that's the author, all we need is the page number. If we don't, then we have Burke and we put the page number. Oftentimes articles don't have page numbers, so that's okay. The articles need to be in quotes, and it needs to look like this. If you have questions, always shoot me out an email, but hopefully this will help clear things up. I will post it and update it on our page and post it in an email. I hope things are okay. If you need me, please contact me via text, phone call, or email. Thanks. Bye-bye.